Today, I'm going to show you how to create the latest AI cigarette and gun videos that are going viral right now. But before we jump in, I need a small request from you. My channel's reach has been very low nowadays, and I'm not getting the audience that these tutorials deserve. If you enjoy my content and want to support me, please take a second to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot to me and helps me create more amazing tutorials for you in the future. All right, enough talking. Let's watch the preview.
And I began to hate.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room.